Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you
How to transfer ownership of Discord server.
so simply open the Discord app. If you're using browser, you can log in through browser. Now after this, when this is open, so now here you can see we have all this server here, like this is my server. So simply what we need to do, just click on these three dots, and here you can see there are multiple options, but we will go on settings. And now here we will go on members. So now when you open the members tab, you can see there are multiple members you have added in your channel. So what you need to do, just you have to select the relevant member whom do you want to transfer the ownership. So in this way you can easily transfer ownership to any member on Discord.